One of the biggest reasons you're not swimming faster is sinking legs. Let's fix that. We're going to run through 6 of the biggest swim mistakes that cause sinking legs, then give you the correction so you can swim faster with less effort. The 5th mistake is a common swimming myth that's actually making you slower. We'll get to that. First up on our list of mistakes, looking too far forward. Your head lifts when you're looking too far forward. When your head lifts, your weight becomes more distributed to the back half of your body. This is a consistent theme across this list. When you're making a mistake in the front of your stroke, your body will need to counterbalance your weight. This causes your legs to sink. Correct this by looking straight down or up to 45 degrees forward. Looking any further forward than that can make your legs sink. The second mistake that causes sinking legs is very common swim advice you've probably been told 1,000 times. We're going to echo that here again because it's just that important. Poor core engagement leads to sinking legs. Instead of just telling you to engage your core, I'll give you a couple practical cues. The first cue is to imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine while maintaining a tall posture in the water. The second cue is to squeeze your butt as if you're trying to hold a pencil between your cheeks. As ridiculous as it may sound, both of these cues can be useful for those that are too noodly in the water. These cues help engage your core muscles, keeping your body stable and aligned. The third mistake is to lift your head to breathe. Similar to the first mistake, when you lift your head to breathe, the weight of your head causes your body to counterbalance, sinking your legs. To fix this, you need to fix your breathing. Here are some tips to help achieve proper breathing. First, get comfortable swimming with your face being submerged. Second, keep one goggle in the water when taking a breath. And third, focus only on turning your neck as you breathe. Number 4, kicking from your knees. Increasing drag reduces momentum. Kicking from your knees adds lots of drag in the back half of your body. This causes your legs to drop. It's important to ensure that your kick isn't acting as a parachute. Fix this by keeping your kick tight, controlled, and streamlined. Mistake number 5, holding your breath between strokes. This common advice is incorrect for a couple of reasons. First, holding your breath will cause carbon dioxide to build in your lungs, fatiguing you very quickly. Second, holding your breath adds more buoyancy to the front of your body, forcing your legs down to counterbalance the front. Instead, you want to ensure that you're slowly exhaling when your face is in the water. Then, as you're turning your head, exhale the remaining air out of your lungs just before inhaling. While perfecting this timing is difficult, it's foundational to proper swim mechanics. Number 6 on our list of mistakes, pressing down on the water. This mistake pushes the front half of your body up, which forces the back half down. There are 2 keys to fixing this. The first key is your hand entry. Ensure your fingers enter before your forearm so you're not slapping the water and putting on the brakes. Then extend, keeping your fingers below your hand below your elbow. This enables key number 2, getting your hand in a powerful catch position to propel yourself forward instead of upward. If you're a triathlete looking to improve your swim, check out this next video where we review all the skills you'll need to swim in the open water.